I'm Ashley Cox, founder and CEO of Sprout HR, and I have nearly 2 decades of experience hiring and leading teams as a certified HR professional. Setting clear expectations and communicating them in a way that motivates your team is key to developing a responsible and high performing team. Join us for Setting Expectations That Get More from Your Team, where you'll learn why setting expectations with your team is a two-way street that requires effort and accountability from both sides. The common pitfalls leaders make when setting expectations for their teams and why they fall flat. How to set better expectations with compassion, confidence, and conviction. Proven ways to gain buy-in from your team when setting expectations so that they follow through, and ways to manage expectations and build accountability while working remotely. I'm excited to present this session and can't wait to support you and your team very soon.